Welcome to Timeless Stoic Life, a place where ancient calm meets modern chaos. Before you check your phone, before you scroll, reply to emails, or rush into the day, pause, take a deep breath, because how you begin your morning shapes how you walk through everything that follows. Most people wake up and fall straight into reaction mode: notifications, schedules, news, drama, comparison, pressure. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself each morning, "Today you will meet selfish, ungrateful, arrogant people, but don't let them steal your peace." The morning is sacred. It's your chance to anchor your mind before the world tries to pull you away. Here is a 10-minute Stoic morning routine to help you start grounded, clear, and centered. Minute 1. Just be still. Sit in silence. Do nothing. Simply inhale, exhale, and let your mind arrive. Minutes 2 and 3. Recite or read a Stoic quote. Choose a single quote. Repeat it in your mind. Let it sink in. For example, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Or, "The obstacle on the path becomes the path." Don't analyze, just let the words settle. Minutes 4 and 5. Journal these 3 questions. What can I control today? What will I accept without resistance? Who do I want to be, no matter what happens? Write with honesty. This isn't for problem solving, it's for mental alignment. Minutes 6 and 7. Visualize one potential challenge. Maybe it's a meeting, a difficult person, a moment of stress. Now imagine yourself facing it with calm, self-control, and dignity. You don't argue, you don't react. You breathe, and you respond with reason. This is premeditatio malorum, preparing your mind by rehearsing resilience. Minutes 8 and 9. Choose your virtue for the day. Will it be courage, patience, humility, honesty? Say it out loud. Today I will live with your virtue. Let it guide you like a compass. Minute 10. Send a message to your future self. Say something like, "I am calm enough for what comes. I don't need to please everyone. I just need to stay grounded. That is enough." Let this be your gentle reminder, not just for today, but for the moments you might lose your footing. This isn't a quick motivational hack. It's mental training, just like a Stoic philosopher preparing for the day ahead. And the battle is real: the speed, the noise, the constant temptation to react without reflection. So start with stillness, lead with clarity, and let the first 10 minutes guide the next 10 hours of your day. If this morning practice helped you reset, try it for 7 days in a row. And if it helped you, share it with someone who wakes up already feeling overwhelmed. Subscribe to Timeless Stoic Life for weekly wisdom to ground your mornings and strengthen your inner world. Don't let the world decide your mood. Set it yourself like a Stoic.